I recommend this program for many students, actually. There are many optics companies that are around here, and they will hire kids from this program. It's not just about the companies that you can work for, but there's companies that will pay for your college too. From the East Optics program, I feel prepared to go to college because it's not a big difference. You go from here to MCC to the optics program, and the only difference is the machines, but you get used to it because it's pretty much the same thing. I chose to pursue this optics class because I liked it from the first year I took the tour down here. I was in the 9th grade, and I wasn't exactly a good student. And it's more hands-on work, visual learning. I think it's better for students. And this program and Mr. Newman's program, it's a big thing. Like, you can get a job anywhere. There's a lot of optics companies around here, and people just don't know about it. It's something that people don't talk about. It should be spoken about more, though. East High Precision Optics, you gotta see it.